Hello all friends! In this video we will learn to draw Simba. Let's go!